Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your online wallet with Trust Wallet. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Trust Wallet app on your device. If you haven't installed it yet, download it from the official App Store. Once you're in, tap on Settings at the bottom right corner. Select Security from the list of options. Here, you'll find the option for enabling biometric authentication. Toggle on Face ID or fingerprint, depending on your device capabilities. Next, set a strong passcode to provide an additional layer of security. Make sure your passcode is unique and not easily guessable. Now, go back to the main interface. Tap on Wallets to review all your wallets. Ensure that your primary wallet is properly secured. Visit the backup section to create a recovery phrase. It's crucial to keep this phrase safe and never share it with anyone. Consider writing it down and storing it in a secure location. To enhance security, enable DApp browser by returning to Settings. This feature allows you to connect securely to decentralized applications. Regularly update your app to the latest version to safeguard against vulnerabilities. Consider creating separate wallets for different uses to minimize risks. Stay informed about the latest security practices and updates from Trust Wallet. Finally, remember to log out of your wallet when not in use. Following these steps will significantly enhance the security of your online wallet with Trust Wallet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.